here in Bali, and I don't talk to anybody. If you ask me how's my family, I'll say good. How are your kids? Good. How's life? Good. That's it. There's a full stop after that. Now I joined the business, I don't have a big network, I don't have big friends, and I know there's money in this business. How do I get successful in this business? I have to go on social media. A little birdie told me in 2019 that 80% of the content on social media is going to be videos. So two things are happening. Joined the business on 11th of January 2019, and then I was like, this is great business, I can stay home and I can have another baby. So I fell pregnant in March 2019. Every single day, the baby is growing in the bum. And Habia is trying to post a video on social media and it's not happening. I get ready, I go in front of that camera and I can't press that button for some reason. Now, not many people around me were posting videos. That's one reason, right? This has to be a great influence. There's so many people that are doing it. You do it too. Now, this very day, I'm 7 months pregnant. My belly is big. I'm like, Habia, this is the day today. You have to post the video today. I plan it well. I'm one of those who do a lot of research but don't do any work. I was doing the research. I was 7 months. I was watching videos. How to do this? I'm not doing it. And I'm like, okay, you have to get the train. And we have, in Melbourne, we have Docklands. It is just like here, you know, the same view. We have waterfront, we have Docklands. And I said, Habia, if you go on the Docklands, there will be water behind you and people will be watching the water and you will get more views. Let's take the train and go to Docklands. And I go to Docklands. Now I post my video for 7 minutes. I did my video for 7 minutes. I got 20,000 views. I should get a clap for that. First video, 9 months. I had 300 comments. I should get a clap for that. And you know what everybody said? Flip your phone, flip your phone, flip your phone, flip your phone. My video was upside down. I didn't know how to rotate the phone. I never deleted my video. The baby was about to come out, and here Habia is struggling to post a video. But there is power in social media. When you hear a powerful sentence, if you follow the sentence, and I'm still happy with myself, it took me 9 months, I still did it. But 2 months after that, I gave birth to my baby Aziz in a month and I left my job. 2 months after that. Now I always tell this story to my team and I always say, please don't do this mistake. I did it, I don't want you to do it. So this opportunity is for anybody. A person who is not on social media, a person who does not know anything about social media, a person maybe who doesn't speak the language, a person who looks differently, a person who's from different culture, or maybe a person who has one eye or one leg. You should be able to tell your story on social media. Now what works? So if you have a good frame, this is a beautiful frame, it works. You have good lighting, it works. And you have a good hook, always works. You always start with a good hook, right? You have good content, works. But what always works? I'm a professional storyteller. From thousands and thousands of years, we love listening to the stories. If I look at somebody and I ask the question, what's your story? So today I'm standing on the stage, my jacket has a story, my dress has a story, my body has a story, my shoes has a story, my rings has a story, my hair has a story. Bad hair, good hair has a story. My makeup has a story, bad makeup, good makeup has a story. Everything has a story. If I look at drops, I'll say, what's your story? If I look at one page and I say, I will call them and I say, what's your story? Because the more I ask this question, the more different pieces of content I get. And I figured this out. Remember that research I did for 7 months? Yeah, it took me so long, but I figured this out. You have to be a storyteller. You will never run out of content. I can have a talk with all of you. If we have 400 people in this room, we have 400 stories. If I ask you a simple question, why did you join the business? You all will give me different 400 stories. The hook will be different, the story will be different, the emotion will be different, right? But it's the same question. But sometimes we overcomplicate things, like I was for 7 months. The second one for me, and this a lot of you know, and I figured it out in my 7-month research again, guys. Location, 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 location. How does social media works? Social media works on location. This is my tip to you. When I was in Melbourne, one day I decided that I want to build a business in Canada. I never visited Canada before. I already had a team, that's why I had to come here. And I decided to say the word in my videos, Canada, 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 Canada. I said it every single day. Somehow I found a story about Canada. So there is a thing in your social media which is called analytics. So if you go in your analytics, if for example you want to build Australia, Australia is not there, so we need to start using the keywords to build Australia. So I saw that Canada was not even there. The first direction for me is to bring Canada into my analytics. Like what's the percentage of people who are watching me in Canada? It was 0. Then it went to 5%, then it went to 10%, then it went to 15%. Right now, my top audience in my social media is Canada, not Australia. Because I talk about Canada. And the Canada is listening to me. I can say Brampton, I can say Surrey, I can say North Vancouver. The more I say it, the more these social media platforms are bringing the audience to me. You know why? Because even Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, they all run their ads based on location. Location, location, location. And some of you travel a lot, right? Go there, post videos, tag the location. More you travel, the more you go into those locations, the more people see you. All of a sudden, is anybody seeing ads from North Vancouver? I'm saying some Indian restaurant want to sell me the food. I saw some. So what works? Story works, location works, it will always work because these platforms are also making money by showing us the location. And story, there's a famous line, if you know who said it, then you're watching his social media, and the guy said like this: I have a streak of taking Noni and other partner co-product from 10,000 days. Who said that?
John.
I used it, my video went viral. Now what did we get with social media? I got global business with social media. I did not come to this business for money. And I knew there was money, but I joined the business for time freedom, and I had a very emotional story with that. We will talk about it some other day, but I came for time freedom. But the time freedom is most expensive. I got to know that later. I said, I want to work from home. Well, everybody can stay home, but you need money to pay your bills, right? But then a lot of women who joined me, they came for money. Little money, not big money, maybe $2,000, $3,000 a month. But when you look at this circle, they have been able to achieve all this. A lot of them. We are on to legacy now. I'm just waiting to get a little bit more older to create my legacy. But I can see myself like a 75-year-old woman and walking in the room and getting my respect and you're like, yes, Habia, we're proud of you, you did it. I'm waiting for that. But this all is available to all of you. I was in one of the most popular Indian restaurants yesterday. I went there just to get some views on my social media. Trust me, I had to do that, right? We are here and the restaurant is owned by an Indian celebrity, big time celebrity. I sent Lucy an invite as well. She said, I got work to do. I'm like, okay, I'm going. The chef already knew me. Yeah, wow. The chef sends beautiful platter like sandwiches, write my name on it, and the chef sends a message, please tell her I know her and all of her team, I follow them on social media. I didn't know that. I didn't know that when you post videos every single day, you will get popular, people will know you around the globe. I didn't know that. It just happened. Repetition is mother of skill. Consistency is father of success. We have to do it repeatedly every single day to get good at it. That is a skill. By posting every single day, you can get so popular, so in demand that whatever you hold in your hand, that will work. I can post that this will make you lose weight. People like Abhiya, if you have used this clip that will lose weight, I want to buy one of them. Because I'm saying if your social media becomes so powerful, and it's not just me, all the influencers are doing it. Are you watching the influencers doing it on social media? Yes, you are, right?
Yes.
How they're doing it? Repetition is mother of skill, and consistency is father of success. That's it. Most people, you guys are very excited today, by the way. Your laughs are telling me, you guys are so excited. Most people, they overestimate their day and they underestimate their future. Most people. We do that, I do that. We just say, I'll do it tomorrow, right? You overestimate your day. You're so excited, you're like, I'm gonna create 20 pieces of content today. I'm gonna create 20 pieces of content tomorrow. You're gonna go home on Sunday like, oh, that was a big event. I need some rest. Everybody's gonna do that. You overestimate your future, and you need to stop doing that. Now, so I always use cricket example, but I had to use ice hockey example because you guys follow ice hockey.
Yes.
Yeah. I did some research, and I had to learn. I asked ChatGPT how to say this name properly, and I kept saying Crosby or Corsby, and ChatGPT said no, it's Corsby, Sidney Corsby, right? So Sidney Corsby. He is going to play the game, right? And he's ready to win, but once he goes in the field and he sees that 60% of the room wants him to lose, right? Every player, when they go to play the game, they know 60% or 50% of the people already want them to lose. They're gonna swear on them. In Australia, we say they're gonna boo, and they're gonna throw stuff. Will he stop playing?
No.
How louder this no should be?
No.
Will he stop playing?
No.
He will win. And then once he wins, all the people who wanted him to lose, what will they do? They will stand up and they'll clap. Yeah? What a great player. So I'm going to tell you a story. So I was doing my TikTok lives, and in my TikTok lives, I was going live every single day, and I was getting a lot of hate. And I knew if I go TikTok live, write this down, I can get 7 to 10 customers per live. Why? Because nobody else was doing it. I was doing it. I was the one doing it. I was right there. I was answering people's questions. They can ask me what's Noni, what's the advantage, what's the benefit, how can drops make me lose weight, and I can just sit there, answer the question right there and then, invite them to my WhatsApp, send them the link, they came. Every day I can make 10 customers. I knew it. And it was happening with me. But I was getting a lot of hate. Now there comes this person, and she supports me in the TikTok live. She's just a random person who comes in my comments. She's fighting with every hater. And she's replying to every hater. And all of a sudden I started getting this confidence that if this person appears every single day, I can go live every single day. There's somebody fighting for me. Do you want to have that kind of support in your lives?
Yes.
You can do that. Now I asked this supporter, my super fan, if you post on consistently on social media, you're going to have a lot of super fans. They will fight for you because they know you. I asked my super fan, can you please send me a message in WhatsApp? And she gets scared and she sends me a message. And I said, you're such a big supporter, why don't you join my business? And she says, Javier, I have already done the program with one of your team members. I have lost my weight. I'm going to send you my before and afters, but please don't share them anywhere. And she sends them and she deletes them. I'm like, wow. So then I tell her the benefit of our business. I get the two people together. She joins the business. Now that super fan is here with us today, is very successful, the power of social media, and her name is Gurkar, and she's senior officer. Gurkarji, why were you supporting me so much on TikTok Lives?
Because in your lives you were talking about the problems I had, and you were talking about the weight loss program which I did, and I lost 15 kg that time. And because I was having lots of health problems, I was the person who was going to hospital, like buying the groceries every weekend. So that changed my life, that stopped my hospital trips. And yeah, that's why I want to support. I cannot wear, like, if someone says anything bad about our program.
Gurkar cannot hear anything against us, by the way. You need supporters like that. Gurkarji, but then why were you holding off from joining the business?
No one else was stopping me. It was the voice in my mind what stops me. And I was so scared going on social media. You know, when I sent you my before and after pictures,
Which you believe.
yeah, so that was stopping me. But then I see, no, those haters, no, we have to stop them. I want to show them. And then I joined the business. And the big win I got my twin nephews, because my sister was having hard time to conceive because of her weight. She was over 100 kg. And she lost weight, and she got she got twins and they're boys. And she was 39 that time.
So Sydney Crosby right here. Gurkarji, now you have this amazing business. Your team is here, you're a senior officer, you're a super fan, you didn't want to join the business. Like, what's the psychological shift?
The word you always say, seva. And because this business, this program changed my life, why not I can change other women's life, and especially in our community. There's ladies, they have a same voice in mind that's stopping them. And all my team members, they want to cross this stage like me. They want, because tomorrow we are having recognitions. The person who will achieve manager and above, they can walk on this stage. So my whole team wants to achieve that, and that brings my senior officer. And my whole team is gonna walk tomorrow on the stage. Vice president, senior vice president.
So you can see the excitement right here. I want you to go on social media, bring your super fans into the business. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gurkarji. The next person who's coming on stage, she posted her content for 9 months consistently and did not earn a single dollar. Would you post for 9 months when you're not even earning a dollar? Like, she decided that I'm gonna post every single day. And she's coming to my Zooms, she is attending my Zooms, she's working in her warehouse. In her lunch break, she's attending my Zooms. I live in Australia, and I'm watching her as a leader, and she's having the lunch in front of me in the Zoom, and I'm like, not a single customer yet, not a single customer yet, in my head, because as a leader, you have responsibility to take a team forward. Now, after 9 months, she goes viral, and she does 30,000 points from her customers in 1 month. Hardeep Kaur, Canada! Again, good morning everyone. It's truly an honor. I'm here. Thank you so much for having me. So I am talking about the social media, and I am the person who started social media from zero. I had no account on any social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Threads, YouTube, anywhere. So I started from zero. I made my videos, and
look at my followers, they are not very much like today. I'm getting calls or messages. Do you want to grow your followers more? I know that they are fake, so I said no, I'm good. Thank you so much. So these are all my, you can say, genuine followers from which I get my customers, my clients, and here I am talking about social media, the power of social media, because I created myself from zero. First, I can say you have to be consistent whatever you are doing. If you start your business or any work from social media, you have to be consistent every single day. You have to post, you have to make videos, you have to put stories, and anything you are doing for growing. How do you promote your business? By social media, by showing others what you are doing. So that's where you get your customers, that's where you got your followers, and the people, they just like you for anything. They said, I don't want anything, any of your product, but I like you. That's all. They are genuine, right? That's what we want. We are genuine, and the genuine people follows you. So here I never stop posting, and the harder you work, the luckier you get. People say she's on the stage, she's lucky. No, 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 no. I worked very hard for that. Yes, just 2 or 3 hours for sleeping. I know that, right? So you have to work hard. Here I can talk about my team. It's all there. Can my Canadian team? From all over Canada, Ontario, Surrey, Halifax, Saskatchewan, Nova Scotia, GTA, everywhere. So I'm super proud of my team. When you come to these events, these PXPs, what Partner Co organizing for us to help us grow more, then you get a beautiful team which supports you, and then they get your title and they come to the stage and you feel proud of yourself. Like my leader made me, and I am making my team. So I'm feeling super proud of every single person who is here, because you took your time and to be here to learn something. Now you are growing. You will grow because you are taking something from these leaders who you are going to listen today, and you will be rocking. Thank you so much, my time. Thank you.